All right, so now we're going to be doing that down, 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 down and up at a faster pace. All right, I'm going to count you in again. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I hope that that made sense for you and that it's not too fast. Again, if it is, go back to that first one and try to play along with that one. Also, let me just turn down the volume here. Also, in the next lesson, what we're going to be doing is playing that same down, 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 up, just with eighth note. So it's going to be down, 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 up. All right. I'll show you that in the next lesson. All right. Okay. So I hope you're having fun. I hope this is making sense. And believe me, we're going to be building on this. It's going to be really, really epic. All right. Okay. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you there. Bye-bye.